Or good afternoon, folks. I was in a meeting today. We were talking about moving items from Microsoft to Google and from Google back to Microsoft. And so I'm just going to model for you today how quick and easy it really is. This is obviously a Microsoft Excel document. I want to talk about a reason that you would ever want to switch from Excel to Google Sheets, and it has everything to do with just collaborations, right? So if we all needed to fill in our individual information, like maybe put a date of birth or my birth, whatever stuff on here, that you know why we would share this sheet. It sure works a lot better to use it in Google than it does to send an updated copy, version 1, version 2. Oh my gosh, that's exhausting. So here we have the Microsoft Excel sheet. Let's get it into our drive so we can move it into Google Sheets. So obviously we're going to save this. Let's get into our Google Drive here. We're just going to upload it. So here in our drive, we're going to click New. We're going to click File, Upload. I've just recently saved this. So here it is, Master Employee Data. Here it comes. All right, so here it is now. See the little, now it's in Google Sheets. Obviously I can share it. This is hopefully the old hat that everybody understands. Great. Well, let's say now we've done all the edits. We've shared this with a bunch of people. People have entered their labels next to their names, or they put in their favorite drink order, or whatever that happens to be. We want to get this back out of Google Docs and put it into, Google Sheets and get it into Microsoft Excel. These are the simple 3 clicks. We click on File. We click on hover over Download, and we simply click Microsoft Excel. And in doing that, now we've taken something from Excel, dropped it into Sheets, and then taken it out of Sheets and dropped it back into Excel. So if it's kids who need to submit something through Microsoft Excel, or if it's you as an employee who needs to submit some sort of a resource through Excel, that's how you do it. You can make it shareable in Sheets and then kick it back into Excel to upload into your report. I hope that that helps. The same type of thing exists within Google Docs. So if there's any questions about that, you know how to get a hold of me. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day.